And I said I'm back with another video, man. And I said I'm back with another video, man.
Welcome back to the vlog, Ski.
Feel good, cause Friday's the weekend. We get to do some activities. So we starting off with a marriage group Friendsgiving. We got a cake, we got some potato salad, some Hawaiian rolls. So we're gonna go to that Friendsgiving and just catch a vibe. I know I said low-key we always catching vibes cause I just
eat, y'all.
No cap, but I just love catching vibes in my environment, in my element, you feel me? Nothing crazy. Like, just catch vibes, just chill, man.
What's the protocol? It depends.
Target!
I used to think that
It's all about. Saturday, man, it's a beautiful day. You see the sun? Yo, the sun is beaming, but there's no clouds. How wonderful. This is like perfect Florida chilly weather. But we're here, we're gonna watch Gladiator, but her parents don't know that we're here, so we're surprising them. Quick little surprise. Yeah, they probably saw us already.
Flippers. I used to come to this movie when I was a kid. It was $1. My parents love this theater for some reason.
No, yeah, this is like nostalgia for them, so.
That's not bad.
Hold on, you think they inside the theater already?
They're probably in the theater already.
Ah, they caught us. Got you. Oh, my boy, brother.
it's good, ain't it?
Yo. Cause Denzel went crazy. Bro had me geeking over his character. Yeah, that jump was fire. Ain't it?
It was fire.
Like, rated though.
Honestly, it was such a great movie. Like,
I gotta watch it back again, no cap.
I would watch it part 1 and part 2 back to back. I would do that.
Yeah, and this time we're gonna definitely go to AMC. But now we're here at JT's. We're gonna get some wings.
Cause all we do is eat on this floor.
Yeah, no cap. We some foodies, man. But we always on the go, to be honest. We were her family, so come eat with us. Look at her back there. What you doing?
Sorry.
Yeah, ooh, yeah, and she ride in that coupe. Ooh, yeah, I'ma pull up with my crew. Yeah, ooh, yeah, me and Wolf, yeah, yeah, ooh, yeah, me and Class, we gon' shoot. Gotta get it. Yeah, you know I'm with it. And she see I'm blessed, she check the check, she feel the spirit. Yeah, never seen it like that. She want a little rug rat. I gotta run that check, these cops won't get up off my back. Woo, woo. Just side with your boo, just stay with no man. Play with them, play with them, play with them, yeah. Yeah, yellow Pikachu, matching with the shoes. Yeah, I'ma pull up skirt, catch me wildin' with the troops. I get it bad money.
Listening to my favorite song.
This shouldn't take off.
Why does she have this? It's pretty.
Brother's chilling right now. Just relax on this evening. You know, we y'all boys. Sunday morning, beautiful day. Feels lovely outside.
It's nice and cold.
Yeah, this is how I like it. It's cool. It's probably like, I give it 65 probably.
Babe, it's 51 degrees.
Oh,
It
51? It's
it doesn't
crazy.
feel as cold, but maybe it's because we just got out of the car.
Nah, yeah, it feels amazing to me. I don't know.
Let's go.
My grandfather, my Papa Archie, in Central Texas, he had a business called a wrecking yard. It was a paradise for a little boy. It was 8 acres of wrecked cars. And I would go and play in those cars, and there were trees in that field. Big old oak trees. My favorite was so big, 2 men couldn't put their arms around it. Great tree for swinging from or for climbing, throwing footballs at. Well, one night, just a storm came through, a typical Central Texas storm, not a big deal. I get up the next day, that tree's blown over. How could that be? Big old tree like that, little old storm? I go to investigate, and I see that inside of that tree was hollowed out. That for years, disease and insects had been decaying that tree. And what seemed strong on the outside was exposed when the storm came through. It was weak on the inside. Here's what I'm saying. Sin lies in your heart before it ever shows up in your hand.
And we walking out just like that. Sunday service. Yeah, literally 9 hours later. Service done. Both of them fire. Now let's go eat some fire. I think it's fire. It's gonna be our first time. But we some big bags. I already told y'all, man. We eat good, man. Catalina birthday. That shit grown, man.
She's 12 and she thinks she's 30.
Oh my lordy. Is this scrumptious or what?
That's it. Tomorrow, we're going to the gym.
Well, I've been going, but I don't like to I guess post that I'm going or vlog, cause it's a journey for myself. Y'all finna just see it after.
Okay, well, I'm
But that's
gonna
how I
go
feel about
because
posting.
I have been eating way too much and I've gained weight. Like, obviously, you know, my mom commented on the YouTube, our last vlog, and she said, my baby girl been eating her life away. So that's it. I'm done. Tomorrow, I'm going to the gym and I'm gonna fast.
Amen. Rebechondo.
Justin.
No. Feel me? But low-key, that spot was gas. I give it like a solid 8, cause Saucy Buddha was not it.
Oh, Saucy Buddha was gross. This was
good.
I would say a solid 8.
But after a nice meal, you drink some coffee.
Cafecito.
Some coffee.
Justin's
I mean,
gonna go and order.
yeah, I'm about to go order real quick. But look at this sun. Florida has been beautiful for the last couple of days, I ain't gonna lie. But let's go get this coffee. Look at that. Quick little teen, get you back up for the day, man. Like I hit that sponsor, stop playing with me. Let's go. Entry to the vlog ski starting now. What it is, y'all boys? It is Monday, man. I got active in the gym earlier, you feel me? But now we're gonna do a nice little slow workout. Jazz is with me.
I'm just a girl.
We're just gonna do some leg workouts, walking around the track over there. She's just a girl. She's just a girl. Let's get this working, whoa.
How many selling their souls? How many do it from heart? They tryna get me involved. They tryna put me in bars. I'm in the back of the bus. I gotta do it for God. I'm going LeBron in the paint. I'm coming for all the above. I'm with the dogs and we back in the stew. Thought that you knew. I'm with the dogs, yeah. What you gonna do?
Play with the sticks, yeah. Die in the street. Cook at that dope with the team. They got a feast, yeah. I made the beat go bang. I couldn't choose the grain. I had to make my lane. How many? Give me my money. Give me my money, need it. Give me my money. Give me my money, need it. Give me my money. Give me my money, need it. Give me my money.
Really about breath control.
Give me my money, need it.
Mental. Nigga, where you at?
Ain't no label on me, y'all can never hold me.
We are back now. Had a nice little 2-mile jog. But now we're gonna get some pasta going. We're gonna make some pasta, some garlic bread, you feel me? Quick meal, and then we're gonna watch Game of Thrones perhaps. Come with us, make some good pasta. No, we went kind of crazy on there. Stop playing. What's booming, what's popping? It is Wednesday. Feel me? It is pre-Thanksgiving. It is pre-festivity vibes. Let me take my gummies. These my probiotic gummies. I think it's probiotic. I don't even know. Oh, it's men's multi. You feel me? Multivitamin. Man, them boys take your vitamins. But we had to go get the final teams for our part of, I guess you could say, our contribution to Thanksgiving. Hit target, 5 low. And let's see what else. You know we gotta eat. We're gonna take out something to eat, you know what I mean? And yeah, come with us to catch a vibe tonight. You know I'm always about vibes in my element. But yeah, come with us, y'all. Nah, my curls is going crazy.
How many people's faces do you think are in here?
If you know, you know. My dog, she always gonna find herself a nice TJ Maxx to walk into. Probably gonna get some drip. Let's see if they even got some drip in here. Perhaps. Chill out. Easy. Easy.
It's the Mickey Mouse
Clubhouse. Alright, gangers, we in the fitting room, man. I think we found some drip in TJ Maxx, man. We got the, you know what I mean, the Chewies with a clean little team. Alright, so the pants was good, the shirt was a no-go. But we just gonna wing it and see what else we got at the crib, perhaps. But yeah. Chewies for a dub? Stop playing, bro. 20. Stop playing. I'm letting y'all know y'all could do it too, man. Just gotta put it on, man. Just put it on, man.
Oh, my man.
Famous Amos Tarjay.
I'm gonna get whatever I want.
Yo, she did not get what she wanted. We got the necessities. You hear my Cuban people following me. What can I do, man? What can I do? What it is, y'all? We out here getting some tacos. We asked TikTok, what's the best tacos right now? And this came up. Uptown 66. We didn't get tacos, but we definitely got burritos.
We didn't get tacos though. It happened so fast. I feel like I didn't have enough time to choose, so I just got a burrito.
Nah, and the burrito, we wanted steak and we wasn't sure what to buy, but next time we will be prepared. Let's see at least if these burritos smacking. Okay then, stop playing. Hold up, and they got the salsa verde. She got the same duet. Stop playing with a nice little cookie. All right, let's see what it's talking about. Go ahead, first bite, first bite. She got the first bite. She got the first bite. I was looking like. I gotta pour my salsa verde on there, man. Bussin'? This is what you needed?
That's great.
Let's go, bro.
You guys are always eating. Sorry, guys.
We putting y'all on though.
It's the potato. There's potatoes in here. Crispy potatoes. It just does something different than rice.
I didn't think I need that. Wow, that's scrumptious. Cheers. Pre-Thanksgiving team. Nah, that spot, bro. That spot is official for sure.
It was so good.
Steak burrito. Oh man, it had potatoes in it. Like, bro, what?
Crispy potatoes, but it tastes so good. It was like better than rice for me.
Nah, it was for me too. And I don't even like potatoes like that. It was
Straight.
with the salsa verde. Wow,
It had
scrumptious.
guac, pickle, and
Cheese.
cheese.
Nah, it was amazing.
Oh,
I
and
get
the crema, like
oh,
sour cream.
but
crema.
you really couldn't really taste it.
No.
But I give that spot for sure like a 9.2, 9.3. That's valid.
Then Justin ordered chicken
Oh,
taco
I
to
forgot
try
I even
it.
did that.
It was good too. It just had carrots on it. It was a little weird, but the chicken was very marinated. Tastes very well.
Nah, I removed all that stuff, squeezed some lemon, throw some salsa verde on there. Man, that joint was good, man.
Yeah, it was good.
So for the pre-Thanksgiving, for
I
the
don't want to see food
pre-Thanksgiving,
until tomorrow at 1 p.m.
yeah, I'm not even eating breakfast tomorrow. Probably just coffee. That's it. That was good. Little cute, little date night, quick little team. But yeah, we went to Target, we went to Five Below, TJ Maxx, and all of the above, cause we had to do our last minute teams. But we finished with a success at the at Uptown 66. Get some Christmas lights, and I might take y'all there. Yes, sir. I told you we was coming out to see the lights, man. You feel me? So we outside with the family ski. Woo! My boy TG. We outside, man. We seeing some like H-Town. If you know, you know. You know where we at. This is fire. Obi, stop playing. Happy Thanksgiving, papi. Woo. So cute. Gang, gang. La tia. What it is, man? Andrew, what it is, man? Say what's good. Yeah, Liana, say what's good.
Oh, it was good.
Oye, hacer it, pero. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, my boy dripping with the New Balances, man. Pero happy Thanksgiving.
Hey.
Oye.
Your shirt, what it say? The bossy turkey, yeah.
That it is a bossy turkey. Oh, happy Thanksgiving. I said it, happy Thanksgiving.
Hola.
When I said it, that.
Happy Turkey Day.
Oye, I said it, hola.
Hey.
Happy Thanksgiving, dog.
I like any here, man.
Ain't no way. Hey, Melowski.
Made it to the vlog.
You feel me, Kilo
Made it to the vlog. We made
Kaski?
it in life.
You feel me, gang, man? Yes, sir, man. Just like that, we back out of here, man. We got the fits on. Everyone got the fits. Yo, everyone's stepping. Stop playing. Everyone's stepping. Everyone's stepping. Right here is the camera. Yo, Emily, we here. Episode 4, I think 5. Vlosky.
What's up, Vlosky?
Justin.
Vlosky.
And then, yo, what's up? What's good? What up? Okay, hold on. What we doing? Okay, Jazzy, shoo. Uy, cafecito? Hacer it. Oh, we here. Gang, gang, gang. Sam went crazy. Sam, chill.
This little piece right here. That's how I know it's real Oreo. God bless your soul.
God bless. The Cookie Master. Oh. Get one more. I think you need to get one more.
Don't give me a spoon.
Get him. Let the Cookie Master do what he do. You know what I mean? All right, so we doing.
Hold up, but there ain't no creams and nothing in there.
No, this is just the brownie.
Go ahead, brother. Go ahead, brother.
Take the whole bite?
Oh, nah, that look amazing. His face lit up. Oh,
You showed me, I don't know.
Boricua cookie. We got the mofongo, rice and peas, pork, mac and cheese, cornbread. Jesus.
I'm defeated. I can't even take this last bite of this strawberry shortcake brownie. I have a whole cookie left baked by Sam. I can't do it.
Alright. Mafia, do you guys want
It's a blessing.
Yeah.
It's a new beginning.
Yeah.
The next year is gonna be better, so don't be afraid. Keep going.
Yeah. Mommy. Estoy cansada. And we have snacks.
Oh my god, after 8 hours, guys. We're here.
She's beautiful.
This is my old car.
RP, man.
She was good to me.
Shout out to the people of Miami Lakes Kia. Mission, but we here, you feel me? Master. Assistant master.
I need a eyes open. I'm trying not to look right at the camera.
Crazy, bruh. Air mattress and what? A plywood, bruh. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with him, actually. And him, too. Boy, behind the scenes, man. Stop playing.
This is gonna look better than that picture, the reference picture.
It's Saturday, man. You know the vibes. It's beautiful outside in Miami. Just got done shooting my boy album cover. But yeah, man, we're here. We're gonna shoot some more content, probably in Design District. Had to stop for my, hold on. You already know what I had to stop for, my boy. Yo, Celsius, once again, cut that check. Stop playing with me, man.
Gotta be careful with frauds, I'll leave it at God, removing myself out the picture. Hey, everybody know we stepping, it's different. Yeah, I know my dreams don't care about my feelings. This for everybody.
still vlog?
The movie started
Look at
already.
my eyelashes.
Oh, let me see.
Let me look straight though.
Very good. My eyes always get red.
Ooh, them popcorn is fire.
You're gonna eat like 2 of them.
Yeah, we're ebbing and flowing. There's no sign of slowing. We know where we're going. So what could be better than this? We're starting to hit a stride. I'm in for a crazy ride.
TJ.